this is where I'm sharing my sentiment, my heart, because Rosealee was having a heart-to-heart conversation with Akeem, with the hope that Akeem would have held it between both of them, right? Had Akeem not gone out of his place to share that voice note, then nobody else would have been involved in that conversation.
But if you listen what Daima said, Daima said, she is the one send the voice note to Spicy because it seems like Jay send the voice note to Daima. Listen up. Because remember, Daima and Jay I do for them series together. It seems like Jay do a lot of sharing to Daima, right? Because the OB voice note took me have the part they clear and loud, because some people say they can't hear, but me have the one day clear and loud. So everything Jay share with Daima, right? So if Daima is a friend, so me everybody fear minions them I try to beat Daima, right? For this, them gonna look stupid over there. You know why wanna look stupid? Because Daima is a real friend. Cause Daima never have to tell you what Jay sent to him. That's you could have known back where Akeem said about you. But because you're the Lulu and you're deep in love, you go back with the girl name, you care back Elephant Man name, you care back Toto name, you care back Spice name, you care back Munchie name. When you watch when Daima run up in the box, in a Spice box, Munchie come out powerful pan Spice live, right? And when Daima come and say, look, come and look about it, Munchie come like in Ghana, the table go start whisper. Because Daima say, you can't make me. Munchie come out wrong and strong because Munchie come out because she want Daima underneath the bus. And when they all go along, them say, bust up when you come up for bust up now because all of them can't bust. Yeah, bust up because they bust up. And one bag of ulabalu
Can I make my point clear? So while I understand all of this in the sunshine, listen, the root. You understand me? We can't address the surface before we address the root. She was saying everybody is what Spice was saying, and I understand. Everybody, the blame is going on everybody, Daima, Munchie, Spice, everybody. But what if that conversation was kept between Akeem and Rosealee? Well, if Akeem didn't share it with Jay would not need to share it with Daima, who would not have it to share it with Sunshine, with what's her name, Spice, who would not need to come out here. So before the grapevine start, before the grapevine come all the way around, Akeem is to be held responsible for that conversation that was held in private.
What you have to understand that Akeem, Agali not going to give all Akeem accountable for that. Because she bring everybody in the mix up because everybody are finding out now because he might keep on telling people, him not tell one somebody. Listen what she say. If you did rate me when your friend do that to me, you would make that happen. But then again, you hear she come back out and she said last night and when she said today, she said, I fear her business if Uno want her from Uno want her because she looks stupid. Ellie, he's a big man, he's a big artist. Oh, you're getting at this, that's all me ask you. Because you should this a mix up here. Because even if you know something like that, me know say you check for Rosealee. If something really goes on, and you go tell her. But look for the big nastiness and all this more than this muck with your name in Akeem coming in your room. And then them have Akeem done as him as a Batman already. So, right there, so, you can, as a man, you know say, him no want her still and you try to put her up on her girl. But remember, we can't tell woman anything about them man because them going to talk back. So we have to do remember that. So no, when me did come out and attack, when I say a lie, me nah no video, me nah no
Sunshine, I'm going to let somebody else join. That's my 2 cents.
Alright.
Sunshine, you see somebody tell me something about my man, me militant and I'm a street smart.
Who take down the lady? Because the lady attack and she just drop out her box. I don't know. She just drop out her box. I don't know. Cassie, you have something to say? All who don't know have nothing to say, have to come down. Because people will attack. I don't know who take her down. I don't. Send back your request. That's why I don't do no more than two moderators. Because when I like when people attack and people take them down.
Yes, sunshine. Me as a militant woman now, and me have my friend, I say my friend. And me, my friend, I go want me. You think me, I go back to the man? Me, I watch for see me, now I go send nothing at point. Me, I go watch for see what I go on. And if say, for instance, me see with myself and say, yeah, something I go on, me, I go to him and say, what kind of fuckery that I want? Me, I go tell him, say, somebody tell me this and somebody tell me. Me, I go tell him who tell me. Say, me, I observe you long, what's it not glad time. And my sister, you have certain things that me not like. Me not so if me have you as my friend, me not supposed to carry my friend name to my man. But you see, because she's delusional and she try everything for the man love her and the man accept her, that's why she's doing her. That's why she's doing that. She realize the man don't want her and she's trying everything for the man accept her and the man not accept her. But if say for instance, if me don't know how some woman do it still, but me don't know why them come out and I say Diamond this and Diamond that. Diamond is trying to look out for her friend. But from when me wrong Diamond from Diamond say the girl beat her mama, Diamond should have dropped her company. And from Diamond say the girl attack the most thing about her baby father, Diamond should have dropped her company because if you can do your baby father so for how much years if you can, everybody and their parents won't meet. Me and my mother won't meet, me and my father won't meet, but nobody can come between me and none of them. And if you hear me and my father attack and my mother attack, you come like me beat up for them because some is here. Now bring your mouth in that. You understand what I say? Make family have their differences. But if you see me and deal with my family certain way and you join in with it, that means say you're no different. And if you see, that means say, me don't rate you then, and you don't rate me because me can't see you deal with your family. And them two things them wrong, Diamond family, Diamond me girl and Diamond know that. But me wrong her for them something there.
Alright, here one now, but again, listen to that part here. You have to listen to that part here too, you know. Cause, you know, we are said Diamond wrong and thing, but then again, you have to know when a person under spell, listen to this. When I have to mute the people and no nice and listen keenly. And listen who advise this. And when you're done, you tell me who advise this. Listen to this. Alright, so people, remember, who advised that? The betrayal.
Like her husband.
Thank you. The betrayal vice. So,
up your man and he realize him see we're going and him see oh Diamond true towards him a pinch somebody and I tell them say oh tell Diamond to look out because woman not easy now whatever. You think Akeem now watch himself run her? Because Akeem the runner and Akeem so she dear baby father. What you think Akeem a go do? Akeem a go watch himself run her.
When we are said Diamond when she dis her mother, but chef why me know you drop down in a chef. When we are said that no we can't say that because if you listen to this voice note, if you listen to this, we must send James send this to you know, and Jay send this to Diamond. Remember, so Diamond said, "What time and Jay war? Figure it out war behind the scenes like then like a man and woman together and sharing the day, you know." You understand me?
Sunshine.
Yeah, go ahead.
You come up and say the reason being Elephant Man tell Rosealee. All of us are close in CV. We grew up together, you understand?
Yeah.
So if him tell Rosealee that, it's because him close to Rosealee. That's why I'm telling her. Him not tell her if you expect Rosealee to go back with it. Him said to Rosealee, so watch yourself because at the end of the day, Akeem no right. You understand me?
Yeah.
And Rosealee, because she get caught up in Akeem now, she go inform and go say the thing. I've noticed everybody says something to Rosealee. Rosealee talk.
Yes. So Elephant Man never know. So Elephant never know about Elephant Man don't know about Rosealee. So you can't tell Rosealee nothing. Elephant Man don't know watch TikTok.
Yes, of course Elephant Man watch TikTok. They don't know. Remember say Elephant Man come and see me sometime and hang out with it sometime on the corner, you know. So at the end of the day, while we talk, while we just we grew up together, while we just talk like natural, normal. Not because him becomes this type of person. You understand me?
Yeah.
But we know each other like that. And that's one of the reasons why I'm telling her I never tell her if she go back, go tell back her man. Because she's caught up in a Akeem now. She know what's that. You understand me?
Yeah.
So that's one of the reasons why I'm come up with 7%. Alright, cool.
Yeah, alright, mama, big up yourself. But when me I say people,
maybe elephant man never care if he want to tell back Akeem.
nah, she still say, abuse the boy, abuse her.
Exactly.
Well,
Sunshine, you know, me have friend where me and them we hold a whole lot of things. We all sit down and chat with one another, man. And we go down Emmanuel Road and we cuss and we almost fight. And nobody never hear certain things out of our mouth.
But you see, so when the
cut you, something I come to clarify. You see the voice note where that play? It wasn't Jade sent to. It was Monster Akeem one. They tell Diamond yes, what's the situation what was happening.
Where's that child? And a Jay get it?
No, and a Jay get it a Monster Diamond X. Yeah, I never Jay get the voice note there. Diamond X Monster get it.
So Monster send it to Diamond?
Yes, because Akeem, like me all attack I made a grow big. It's like Akeem I said no, Rosa take it too far. You get me I say?
Yeah.
Because him see how Diamond treat Rose and him
Thank you for come correct me.
Him sister Diamond loyal to the end. And me hear a lot of people say why Diamond come out and behave. So why should she not? Everybody have feelings and not get her point.
Yeah,
you
right.
Feel Sunshine for me come at your yard, Sunshine. I me hear yard chat. Barbara, me say Barbara, you know say Sunshine, I say this and that boy up. Me tell you because I'm a girly girl. Me fuck with you, that's why me tell you.
Right. So whatever Diamond do and tell her, she have all right because she and her apart and Diamond say, yo, we not get no sex, make we run. And she decides she has stand up because she want to lose all of her money. So at the end of the day, me look on it, me not blame Diamond and nothing. Me hear them as a Diamond.
You can't blame her, Sunshine.
Me hear them as a Diamond should say she stink. But people, when she's talking about people and cussing people, do you hear what that girl deal with people? Want to hear what that girl deal with people? And tell people underneath them, and we are rotten. Look how she deal with Kiki. Look how much people she deal with bad. So me not understand say why we can't tell her say she wrong.
So Sunshine, come here. So you never hear the statement where Rosealee lay in front of Shantana. Shanta. Yeah. So she drink come. So tell me now, is that a good statement? That is so distasteful and disgraceful.
You are telling
you as a parent tell a daughter, 10-year-old child. At the end of the day, Rose don't know loyalty. Rose don't know to receive love, Sunshine. And them something there is a big part in a friendship. If you have a friend and a friendship with love, she not used to them, there's something that she not used to love. None at all. None at all. So she don't know to receive it. And all Diamond did was do a loyal job. Diamond, don't feel no way in yourself, baby girl, because we there here and we see the voice note. And one thing I have to say, Rosie, I beat you on the bush and I come on her back. You see you inhale, but me know enough for them, sir, now. Me want you explain the voice note to me. Because I know you don't address the voice note. So Sunshine, let me give you something. Come here, go down back and when me hear something, me will come up back. Come here, Sunshine. Did you know that Akeem have access to every one of Rose's accounts and those stuff?
Yes, that's why she can't buy no house. That's why she can't buy.
You know, say come again. You did know say the car that Rose buy was Akeem's friend
car. Yes, we know all of that.
Yeah.
That's the friend
so
car.
tell me now, what kind of more wickedness than that to know if his sister the little boy ate Rose? You know, hear the boy say he would have never looked at this. So Rose all up on the vice not a cry for evil for sucking wood.
My dear.
That's how desperate you are. But me want to
mash up her life for a series. No, you want unalive the baby father.
One more person
you unalive, you're not unalive.
Pretty neat, so you can't come up.
I believe every word that Diamond said.
Every word. Let me tell you something with Diamond.
Listen, Sunshine, we have to look for logical something, Sunshine. Yes, when Diamond talk, you not hear Diamond a guess and a spell and a thing. She's just getting to the point.
Me know Diamond from Montego Bay. Let me tell you something about Diamond. Diamond is a girl like this. You see when Diamond head chip, Diamond no hold nothing. But you see when Diamond head
trip. And one of the sweetest girl you can find. But me tell you, attitude, she will talk to you and not your attitude. Then you feel like she have you up. No, I just saw she stay. That man the sweetest thing